Hi guys, in this video we talk about Vivo X100 Pro versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: Vivo X100 Pro, height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices: Vivo X100 Pro comes with 221 grams, Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 225 grams. The build: Vivo X100 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. It comes with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type: Vivo X100 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color. The screen size: Vivo X100 Pro 6.78 inches and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 6.8 inches. The resolution of these devices: Vivo X100 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 453 and the Vivo X100 Pro 450. The refresh rate is same in both mobiles, 120Hz. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 89.8% of screen to body ratio and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 91.6% of body ratio. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass screen protection and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Chorfino Glass protection. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with this optics, and it records 8K 30fps video record. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 4K 60fps video. The front camera of the device is: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 32 megapixel front camera with record 1080p screen 60fps, and Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel wide and TOF3 biometric sensor, and it records 4K 30fps video with front camera. The platform: the Vivo X100 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the chipset: Vivo X100 Pro comes with MediaTek Dynasty 9300 4nm chipset, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with Motorola G720 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Adreno 750. The operating system: Vivo X100 Pro comes with Android 14, FunTouch 14, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Android 14, Magic OS 8. The memory of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage: the both devices come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5600 mAh battery. The fast charging: Vivo X100 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 80 watt fast charging. The Honor Magic 6 Pro supported 66 watt wireless charging and the Vivo X100 Pro supported 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and feature is same, but the Honor Magic 6 Pro have Face ID unlocking also. The result of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro got 22 points and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 25 points.